In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and remove managers for your Google Business profile. We'll start right in your browser. Head to business.google.com and sign in with the Google account that owns your business profile. If you manage more than one location, pick the profile you want to work with. Once the dashboard loads, look toward the top for the three-dot menu. This menu is your gateway to administrative options, so go ahead and click it. From the menu, choose Business Profile Settings. This opens a panel where you control who has access and what they can do. Next, click People and Access. Here, you'll see a list of everyone who currently has access, along with their roles. To add someone new, click Add. A window will appear asking for an email address. Type in the person's work email carefully, double-checking for typos. It's best to use a professional email so you can manage access if the person changes roles later. Now select the role Manager. Managers can edit business information, create posts, upload photos, respond to reviews and messages, and handle most day-to-day tasks, but they can't remove the primary owner or transfer ownership. This role is a good balance of capability and control for staff, agencies, or partners who help run your profile. Once you've set the role, click Invite. The person will receive an email letting them know you've invited them. Until they accept, their status will appear as pending. You can add multiple people this way if needed, and you'll see each invitation listed in the same People and Access area. If you ever need to remove someone or change your mind about an invitation, it's just as simple. In People and Access, find the manager you want to remove. Click on their name to open their access details. If they've already accepted the invite and have access, choose Delete to remove them. If the invitation is still pending, choose Cancel Invitation to revoke it before it's accepted. You'll be asked to confirm, and once you do, removal is immediate, and they can no longer manage your profile. A few quick tips as you work through this. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account that owns the profile. Otherwise, you might not see these options. Only give access to people you trust and review your list of managers regularly. If changes don't show right away, refresh the page and give it a moment. And that's it. Adding and removing managers for your Google Business profile is straightforward once you know where to look.